Hey guys, so this is a backdrop that we have at my sister's office. This is after you've had your services, you sit down and you go ahead and show a picture about, that you're looking really pretty. So I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you because this is actually a background that are 12 by 12 squares, and you're able to place them in whatever area that you're wanting to. And this looks absolutely fantastic in this area. You can go ahead and tailor this to whatever space you have. So each square being 12 by 12, you can actually go ahead and do half a wall, a full wall, add more if you're wanting to. And I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because it actually looks really good when it comes to this particular space.